Hello everyone, welcome to the Java course. In the previous lecture, we were discussed about introduction to the Java program. In the lecture 2, we are going to discuss about structure of Java program, printing statements, and how to execute the Java program. That is execution of the Java program. So the first one is structure of Java program. So generally Java program consists of a class. So then how to declare a class? So first we have to write public, then class keyword. So after that we have to write class name. So as of now consider the class name is first. First is the class name. Then we have to write main method. So the definition of main method is public static void main. So all are in lowercase. Within parenthesis we have to write string square bracket. This is array symbol and args. Args is nothing but arguments. Then open curly braces. In this s is uppercase. Then closed curly braces. This is the closing of class. Here we have to write set of instructions. Set of instructions. This is the basic structure of Java program. First we have to write class, then we have to write main method. This is the class block, or we can say this is the scope of class. And this is the scope of main method. Here class is used to store the data, main method is used to execute the instructions. So this is the basic structure of Java program. So the next concept is printing statement. So printing statements are used to print the data. So in Java generally we have two types of printing statement. One is system dot out dot print, and this statement is used to print the data. Used to print the data. So the second one is system dot out dot println. Here I am terminating the sentence using semicolon. So in Java we have to terminate every sentence using semicolon only. So this is dot system dot out dot print. There is no space, and this is used to print the data. And move the control to the next line, and move the control to the next line. So I will demonstrate these two printing statements. Consider we are creating a class. Class name is first. Then we write the main method. Here string array of arguments. Here if I write system dot out dot print, so I'm going to print 18. Then system dot out dot println, seven, and terminating the sentence using semicolon. System dot out dot println 72, and system dot out dot print 37. I'm writing 4 printing statement. So consider this is the console. In the console, first I'm going to print 18. Means we are using print statement. It will print the 18 here, and control will be in the same line. Control will not move to the next line because it's a print statement. The next statement is println. First it will print the data. 7 will be print here. Then it will move the control to the next line because we are using ln statement. Control will be here. In the next line, we are printing 72. So 72 will be printed here and control will be in next line because this is println statement. Control will be here. In the next, we are using print statement. 37 will be printed here. Control will be in the same line because this is println. Print statement. If it is println, print the data, move the control to next line. If it is print the data, control will be in the same line. This is the working of print statements. So next, how to execute this Java program. So for the execution of Java program, we can use editors like Notepad or Notepad++. So these are the basic editors, or we can use advanced IDEs. So IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. We have Eclipse, IntelliJ, and VS Code, etc. These are the basic advanced editors for Java development. So these are the basic editors, Notepad and Notepad++. Now I will explain how to execute a program in Notepad. So before that, we have to download JDK. Download JDK. So JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. It will provide the basic necessary tools to execute a Java program. To execute a Java program. So it will provide a necessary tool to execute Java program. So for that we have to install the JDK. So we can download this JDK in Oracle website. Now I will explain how to install this JDK in Oracle website. And we have to search Java JDK download. So it will take some time. So in that we have to click on the first link. Okay, it will open the Oracle website. So currently Java JDK 23 is there. So here I'm going to install for Windows. Then we have to click for this exe file. So it's around 205 MB. So click on that. Now it starts downloading. So we have to wait. So until it downloads. So it will take some time. Once after download is completed, so just click on Ctrl J. So it will direct us to download history, or click on the here, click on here and click on downloads. So here we found a JDK file. So click on that JDK file. So it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make some changes, and click on yes. So after this, actually I had installed these software before, so I will going to reinstall the same thing. So while installing the first time also, you can it will ask like this, and click on next. So it will take some times to install the JDK. After this, click on close. Now, I need to check whether the JDK is installed or not. So for that, you have to search CMD in search bar or command prompt and click on that. And in that, type Java space dash dash version. So when you enter that, so we'll get Java 23.0.1, or we can check Java C dash dash version. Now Java compiler also installed and its version is 23.0.1. We are successfully installed JDK. Now I will explain how to execute a program in Notepad. Before that, I'm going to create a folder inside a desktop. So I'm going to create a new folder and folder name is program files. I'll just give it as program files, program files. Created a folder called program files. I'll just grab it here. So now I'm going to store the program which are completed in Notepad inside this program file folder. I just open this Notepad and search in this search bar, Notepad, enter. Okay, now I'm going to write the program to print as hello. So first I need to create a class. So class name is, as of now, consider class name is test. Then open curly braces, enter. So after that I have to write main method. So main method is public static void main. So and it's accepting string array as an argument. So S should be uppercase here, string, and this is array symbol, and args is array name. So this is string array of argument. Then I have to open the curly braces, enter. So I have to write the instruction inside this main method. As of now, I'm going to print hello. That's it. System, in system it should be uppercase dot out dot. I'm using println statement, println. So inside the parenthesis, I need to write a set of characters. I should enclose within double quotes. Here I just write simply hello. So close parenthesis, then I have to terminate the sentence using semicolon. After that, I should close this main method. So close it, curly brace, enter. After that, I should close the class. So I just wrote a simple Java program using Notepad. After that, I need to save this program. And the thing is, the class name should be same as the file name. So for that, the file name should be same as the class name. So I just enter Control S, and I'm going to store inside this desktop, inside program files. So here I have to save this program as test.java. .java is the extension of Java files. Here I just write save as all files. So it will consider it is a Java file. So I'm storing inside a program files folder saved. Now I need to execute this program. For that, I should open command prompt. I have to search CMD here. So command prompt will be open now. So after that, the control is, I have to shift the control to the program files folder. So for that, first I need to shift the control to desktop. For that, CD space desktop. Enter. Now the control in desktop. Program files folder is present in desktop folder. So I just enter CD space program files, P is uppercase, program files is a folder name. Enter. So now the control is in program files. Now I need to compile the Java code first. For that I have to use Java C space, the class name is test dot java. Enter. So no compilation error. So that's why we are not getting any error. Then we have to run this code. So for that I should enter java space test. So if I enter, output should be hello. So I am getting the hello. This is how we can execute a Java program. In the next video, we will discuss about variables and data types and installation of the Eclipse. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more updates.